Okay guys, the first thing you need to do is go to Google and type in Fortnite Mobile Android in the search bar. Then you're going to scroll down and click the first link titled Fortnite Mobile on Android Epic Games. This link will also be in the description below. When it opens up, you're going to click download. There is a step-by-step tutorial to show you how to download the app, just in case you guys need any more assistance. Next, you're going to click the pop-up that says, do you want to download Epic Games? Click OK. It's installing. Click open. Click update. Allow. Click settings. Allow for this source. And then click the back button. You're going to click install once again. And click open. Then you're going to scroll to the right and click Fortnite and click install. Then you click install once again. Click open and click continue. Then you click OK, and there you go. Now you can find your account or create a new account. I'm gonna click find my account, and just for purposes only, I'm not gonna show you guys what my email is. And now the app is open. You're gonna click skip and install the app. I'm not going to show you guys it downloading just because that will take too long, so I'm going to show you guys after it's done downloading. So it's now finished downloading or upgrading, updating. Click play. It's loading in. And there you go. Click accept. Alright. Click play. There you go, guys. That is how you install Fortnite Mobile on the Google Pixel 4 XL. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.